what's your plan for tomorrow?
I'm not sure, Saugad. The weather is going very bad.
Hello, guys. Sorry to interrupt your conversation, but I heard what you said. You said bad weather, right? But that's a very wrong phrase. The correct one is tomorrow there's going to be a torrential weather. Okay? So in this way, English language requires many tips to avoid errors. So NIEC is offering various packages on the 25th of this month, since the company is celebrating its 25th anniversary, where students can enjoy 50% discount on test preparations, and they can also get in-depth tricks and tips for their preparation classes to excel in what they have come over here. That's why I guess students should not miss this opportunity and grab at the very first moment. Do come on 25th January and to be a part of our celebration.